Once upon a time, a little farm girl named Lily went on an adventure around the farm. First, she saw the sheep in the field. Said the sheep. Lily said,
"Hello, sheep. Are you happy in the green grass?"
Next, Lily visited the cows in the pasture. Said the cows.
Lily smiled and said, "Hi, cows. Are you enjoying the sunshine?"
After that, Lily went to the pigsty where the pigs were playing in the mud. Said the pigs. Lily laughed and said,
"Are you having fun in the mud?"
Next, Lily visited the goats near the barn. Said the goat.
"Hi, goats. Are you enjoying the tasty leaves?"
Then, she went to the pond where the ducks were swimming. Said the ducks. Lily waved and said,
"Hello, ducks. Are you having fun in the water?"
Lily walked over to the chicken coop. The chickens were clucking away. Said the chickens. Lily greeted them.
"Hi, chickens. Are you finding lots of yummy seeds?"
She then saw the rooster crowing proudly. Said the rooster. Lily waved and said,
"Hello, rooster. Are you keeping watch over the farm?"
Then, she saw the horses trotting in the field. Said the horses. Lily said,
"Hi, horses. Do you like running in the field?"
Next, Lily spotted the donkeys by the barn. Said the donkeys. Lily greeted them.
"Hello, donkeys. Are you helping with the work?"
Lily then found the rabbits hopping in their pen. Said the rabbits. Lily waved and said,
"Hi, rabbits. Are you enjoying your crunchy carrots?"
She looked up and saw the pigeons perched on the roof. Said the pigeons. Lily smiled and said,
"Hello, pigeons. Are you watching over the farm from up high?"
Nearby, a busy bee buzzed by. Said the bee. Lily said,
"Hi, bee. Are you gathering nectar from the flowers?"
Finally, Lily saw a bird singing in a tree. Said the bird. Lily waved and said,
"Hello, bird. Are you enjoying the beautiful day?"
Lily waved goodbye to all her farm friends and skipped happily back to the house.